Welcome to our video on how to make money working as a freelancer in 2023. In this video, we will show how working as a freelancer can be an excellent way to make money and achieve financial independence. But before we get into the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave a comment telling us if you're enjoying this type of content. It really helps the channel grow every time we bring more tips and content related to ways to make money in 2023. Let's get into the video. What is a freelancer? A freelancer is a person who works for themselves instead of working for a company. They are usually hired to do specific jobs for a set period of time. The advantage of working as a freelancer is that you have more flexibility to choose your projects and hours, and you can work from anywhere. Popular skills. There are many different skills that are popular among freelancers, such as graphic design, content writing, programming, video editing, translation, digital marketing, and much more. It's important to choose a skill that you're good at and have an interest in, so you can offer quality work and stand out in the market. Freelancing platforms. There are several freelance work platforms available on the internet, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. These platforms allow you to find freelance jobs and do business with clients from all over the world. They work similarly, where clients post projects and freelancers can apply to them. Upwork is one of the most popular platforms for freelancers, with a wide variety of categories and projects available. It also offers project management resources and communication tools to help keep communication with clients. Fiverr is another popular platform, specialized in shorter and smaller projects. It focuses on gigs or specific tasks such as graphic design, content writing, and video editing. Freelancer is another freelance work platform, which offers a wide variety of projects and categories such as design, programming, translation, and engineering. Guru is a freelance work platform that focuses on business and entrepreneurial projects such as accounting, marketing, and consulting. These platforms are a great way to find freelance jobs, but it's important to stand out among other candidates and build a good reputation to get more jobs. Also, it's important to pay attention to the policies of each platform and make sure you're complying with the rules. How to stand out. It's important to stand out among other freelancers' work. It is important to create a good profile, have good references, and show previous work. Make a portfolio with your work and have good communication with your clients. Show your experience and skills, and be proactive in seeking new work. Managing clients. Managing clients is an important part of working as a freelancer. It is essential to establish good communication and maintain healthy relationships with clients to ensure that you continue to get future work. Some tips for managing clients include: be proactive, stay in regular contact with clients, and be available to answer questions and discuss projects. Be transparent, be honest about your deadlines and delivery capabilities. If you need to delay a deadline or ask for help, inform the client as soon as possible. Be flexible, be open to suggestions and changes that the client may want on the project. This shows that you are committed to meeting their needs. Be professional, always remain professional and avoid unnecessary arguments. If there is a problem, try to find a solution calmly and rationally. Follow up. After the project is delivered, do a follow-up with the client to ensure that they are satisfied with the work and ask if they will need more help in the future. Have documentation. Have a written contract or agreement between you and the client that includes details such as deadlines, prices, and payment conditions. Effectively managing clients is crucial to ensure that you have regular work and can build a good reputation as a freelancer. Managing income. When working as a freelancer, it is important to manage your income effectively. This includes setting fair prices, making budgets, and always seeking new work. Have good financial management, and always have a financial reserve for times of low demand. Another way to ensure your financial stability is to invest in investments, such as stocks, real estate, bonds, and mutual funds. This can help diversify your income and ensure an additional income stream in the future. However, it is important to remember that investing also involves risks, and it is important to do research and understand the risks before investing. It is important to consult a financial specialist before making any investment decisions. Conclusion: working as a freelancer can be a great way to make money and achieve financial independence. It is important to choose a skill, find work and clients, and manage your income effectively. Start working as a freelancer today and start transforming your life.